Good morning, everyone. My name is Ardem Lustrilla. In your BTREC 3, my topic is about tempo introduction. Tempo is the rate by which we speak. It refers to the number of words uttered within a given time. This is another indicator of the speaker mood. This may also be expressed. Serious ideas would be said slowly. Stories would be told in a faster rate. A person who is enthusiastic, for example, would speak more rapidly than who is not. Conversely, one who tackles a delicate subject would opt for a slow rate. Tempo is the speed or pace a given piece of music. It determines how slow the music played when measured. It means per BPM. For a tempo of 60 BPM means there is one beat every second, while a tempo of 120 BPM means there are two beats every second. Tempo can be indicated in music through Italian terms like largo, very slow, andante, walking space, allegro, fast, and presto, very fast, among others. Modern music often uses BPM directly to provide a precise measure of tempo. Adjusting the tempo can significantly change the character and mood of a piece of music. Tempo refers to the speed or space that which is a piece of music is played. It is typically measured in beats per minute (bpm). A higher BPM indicates a faster tempo while a lower BPM indicates a slower tempo. Tempo is crucial of musical performance, the mood, energy, and overall feel of a piece. It can be specified in a musical score using terms such as allegro, fast, adagio for exact BPM marks. There are persistent errors in vocal tempo that stand to be corrected. Number one, you speak too fast to be understood. There is no reason for racing. Nobody is running after you. Number two, you continue speaking until the breath is exhausted, causing the speaker to break the phrases or the do unit in the middle of gasp for air pause only in the night places where there are commands or at the end of thoughts unit. Number three, you rush to get the end of a long sentence on a single breath. Don't try to cover more than one you can, otherwise you will gasp for breath. No one needs to be a slave to poor speaking habits. This can be broken and it's worth the effort to explore the natural potential of your voice. Free it from tension and develop the muscularity and responsiveness of the speech organs. Thank you.